Hi everyone, in this video I want to guide you on how to change mouse pointer color in Windows 11. This process is very simple. The first thing you have to do is to come to this place, search for settings, click on this one. Now at this side, locate and click on accessibility. Now scroll down to this page. Under interaction, locate and click on mouse. Once you click on mouse, then scroll up again. Under related settings, see this one that says mouse pointer color size. Click on it. Once you click on it, you have yourself at this place. There are so many things you can do here. The first thing is this color white. This one is black. You can see. Then this one is inverted. So it means when you move your mouse over a white area, it's going to turn to black. And when you move your mouse over a black area, it's going to turn to white. Then here you can choose color here, customize color. When you click on this customize color, then you have this color. As you click on it, it's going to bring out the color to your mouse. You can see it here. So you have different color that you can choose from this place. Then you can click on this plus icon and select different colors here. You can see, just drag until you see any color that you wanted here. So any color that you choose here is going to be the color of your mouse. Then you can click on this arrow and see more by clicking on this, and you have different color here that you can use. Then you can use this one to maneuver yourself through this color. That's where you can drag all these to set this color to suit your purpose. Now that I've done that, you can come back to this place and change the size of your mouse. As it goes up, it increases and you have access to this. I think this 3 is okay for me. Then let me use this one. I like this one. So when I'm on white environment, I will see my mouse. When I'm on black, I will see my mouse. Now you can as well customize pointer image. If you click on this button, you're going to see different customization for your pointer. This is normal selection, this is text, this is link, then this is browse, this is vertical, this is horizontal. You have these diagonals and others. So that's all guys on how to change pointer color on your Windows PC. If you enjoyed this tip and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this. See you soon guys on my next video.